Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a little warning here, big warning actually, because it's a scam that's going on, which is surprising because usually when you get scam emails, you have a way of seeing that it's fake easily. Most of the time, just the email address that it was sent from already gives it away. It's some weird, email that doesn't have anything to do with whatever service they're talking about. Well, there's a new one that's going on, and surprise, surprise, it actually has as an email service at paypal.com. And so, how can an email be the real one from PayPal, but at the same time be a scammer? And that is the interesting part of this story. So be careful because there are fake emails out there that are going. And what happens is that it has to do with the way that PayPal works, where you can actually put a secondary email and details, but where that email actually doesn't have a limit in the number of characters. So instead of being like a little place where you just put an email and it has to be an email, a real email, and that's it, you can add text to it. So what they do is they send you an email saying that a MacBook for an amount of, say, $1,800 was just charged to your PayPal account, which of course makes you immediately panic because you're afraid that you might lose $1,800. And what happens is when you look at the email, it truly says that it comes from service at paypal.com. So, of course, they're using a flaw, if we can say, or a feature of PayPal that, unfortunately, when used like that, looks like the real deal. But at the same time, there's going to be a link in the message that's going to say, well, click here if you don't want to have this, or if it's a mistake or there's something wrong. And of course, if you click there, then you're brought to a PayPal website, an imitation PayPal website, and they ask you for your email, your password, and everything to log in, which means they've just had all the info that they required for them to try and steal money for real this time. So they're kind of hoping that you're not going to go to the PayPal account itself and see if something was charged or not. So if you do get some of these scams, really never click links. I always say it, never click links in emails, and or in attachments are also very bad unless you're really, really sure it is correct. Instead, go to PayPal itself by yourself. We're not clicking any links. You just go and type the URL for PayPal and check your PayPal account manually yourself without clicking any of the links in the message. And of course, you will see that, nope, nothing was charged. It's really a scam. But it's a good scam in the sense that because the email from the sender seems to be a legitimate PayPal email, it probably has a higher chance of succeeding. So share this, talk about it to any of your friends that have PayPal accounts. Very important that you know everything about this. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.